Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Anya sir, and today I want to talk about an urgent money miracle that has changed the lives of so many people. This powerful spell is designed to bring financial blessings into your life, solve money problems, and help you achieve financial freedom. Financial problems can cause stress, anxiety, and even depression. But with the help of this urgent money miracle, you can finally break free from those financial chains and live a life of peace, prosperity, and joy. The urgent money miracle is a spiritual practice that is backed by spiritual principles and designed to help you tap into divine power to bring financial blessings into your life. This spell is not only aimed at solving your current financial situation, but also at preparing you for the future and securing your financial destiny. To get this urgent money miracle, you need to follow these simple steps. 1. Make a conscious decision to change your financial situation. 2. Be open and receptive to the spiritual energy needed to bring financial blessings into your life. 3. Visualize your desired financial situation, your bank account, job, home, and everything money can buy. 4. Believe that you financially deserve the best in life. 5. Take consistent action to manifest your dream financial situation. Remember that an urgent money miracle is a powerful spiritual practice that requires faith, belief, and consistency to see results. If you are serious about changing your financial situation, then please believe in yourself and take the first step towards a brighter financial future.